Welcome to Induction Maths Academy. Today we're going to be running through Leading Cert higher level question, which is adding algebraic fractions, adding or subtracting. So we have 2 over 3x minus 5 minus 6 over x. From our previous fractions, if we had, say, 3/8 plus 1/4, we know we can only add those if they have the same denominator. So we'd have to scale up 1/4 into eighths. So what would 1/4 be in eighths? Well, we'd have to multiply the bottom by 2 to make it 8. So therefore we also have to multiply the top by 2. So 1/4 becomes 2 over 8. And then you can add your fractions together, 3/8 plus 2/8. So it's the exact same idea over here. We can only subtract these fractions if they have the same denominator. So what's our common denominator going to be? We need something that 3x minus 5 goes into, and so does x. So our easiest thing is going to be the product. So our common denominator, CD, is going to be the 3x minus 5 times the x. It's going to be our common denominator, because both things will go into that. So back over here we had 2 over 3x minus 5. We now need to have this over 3x minus 5 times x. So we multiply the bottom by x, and therefore we must multiply the top by x to ensure we haven't changed that fraction. Literally just multiplied it by 1. Multiplied by x over x, which is 1. Then minus, keep a nice gap between your fractions. Then we had 6 over x, but now this fraction needs to be over our common denominator, which is 3x minus 5 times x. So we multiply the bottom by 3x minus 5. Because we did that to the bottom, we have to do it to the top. So we've literally multiplied top and bottom by the same thing. So we've multiplied the whole fraction by 1 really. We haven't changed it, we've just scaled up the denominator. Okay, so we'll carry on. 2 times x is 2x all over our common denominator, which is 3x minus 5 times the x, minus, nice and spaced out. 6 times 3x minus 5 is 18x minus 30 all over, again, the x times 3x minus 5. Just going to swap the order this time, because order doesn't matter for multiplication. So x times 3x minus 5 as it was is the same thing as 3x minus 5 times x. Now we have a fraction minus another fraction, and they're over the same denominator, so now we can bring them together. So all over 3x minus 5 times x. We had the 2x. Now this is really important. This minus gets applied to the whole top of this fraction. So you have minus bracket 18x minus 30. That trips up a lot of people. So take a few minutes to get your head around that. You're just minusing the entire top of that fraction. So you need your brackets to show that. Okay, next line, we still have the 2x. The minus 18x becomes minus 18x. The minus 30 becomes plus 30. All over still 3x minus 5 times the x. Now again, 2x minus 18x is minus 16x plus 30 all over 3x minus 5 times the x. Now we just have a look, is there any common factors between minus 16x and 30? Yes, 2 goes into both of them. So we can come over here, take 2 out from the top, we get minus 8x plus 15. It's about as simple as that can get. And the bottom is 3x minus 5 times the x. Can we factorize the top further? No, because 8 and 15 have no common factors. The bottom is fully factorized as well. There's no factors which are fully common to top and bottom, so nothing can cancel. So that's as simple as it gets. That's Leaving Cert 2022. It was question 2b. Thanks very much, guys.